Page 214, this is one at the bottom of the page. This is another lesson on improvising and composing a melody. They give you the chord sequence and then you get to try and fill in all the blanks. Here, instead of the chord names, they're giving you the chord numbers. And they're telling you it's an A major, which matches the 3 sharps. See, in the last lesson, they tell you it's an A flat major. I missed that. I just figured it out. It's an A flat major. We'll get there. Okay. Here it's an A major, 3 sharps. So the numbers, Roman numerals, apply to A major. So we have a 1 chord. I want to know what the chords are. 1 chord. And then a 4-6-4 is just that. Just remember our passage for the primary chords. Is that 1, 1. And then we have a 5-7 chord of a 2. It's a secondary dominant. In A, the 2 chord is here. Here. And then we're going to put that on the bottom. You don't need all that. I can do that. And then, of course, that's going to resolve to the 2 chord, which is that. So it's like the 5-7 of something, a 5-7 of 2 chord. And then the 5-7 chord, an A major, here. So those are the chords. Now I need a melody that uses those notes primarily, and it just sounds good with them. So whatever. And then the 5-7 of the 2, remember that was here. And then the 2 chord, which is, an A is here. And then the first version of that, which is here. And then 5-7. I'm just trying to find notes that are primarily the notes in the chord, whatever, using their rhythm, although you can use any rhythm you want. Just make sure you know what the chords are. And you don't have to use block chords. You can do that. So mix them up. Whatever. It's up to you. Just mix up. As long as it sounds good, as far as I'm concerned, it's okie dokie.